Once you've added the LiveBinder It bookmarklet tool to your internet toolbar, you're ready to add a web page to an existing binder or binders in your account, or create a new binder with the website you found. When you find a website you'd like to add to a binder, click on the LiveBinder It button on your toolbar and the LiveBinder It pop-up box will appear. Click on Select Binders to select where to put the web link. Choose the New Binder tab to create a new binder and fill in the information. To add the link to an existing binder, click on the Existing Binder tab. Notice your most recently edited binder has already been selected in the Select Binder section on the right. If you do not want to add it to that binder, find the binder you want listed on the left and click on that binder name. It will be added to the Selected Binders column on the right. You can then remove the other binder by clicking on the binder name. Once you have your binder selected, it's time to choose the tab placement for your web page. Under Select Location, notice LiveBinder It automatically adds it to a main tab. If you would like to add it to a sub-tab, click on the drop-down icon, and you have the option to add it to a sub-tab. Notice, if you're adding to multiple binders, you can only add a web page as a main tab. You can then go back to those binders and move the tab to a sub-tab, or if you're a subscriber, to a base tab. Choose Sub-tab, and a drop-down menu of main tabs appears. Select the one you want. Here, if you want to add a base tab, you have that option. Next, you have the option to change the tab name. If it's fine, you can leave it, you can shorten it, you can relabel it, you can edit it. Next, you can add a comment, further tell your viewer more about your tab. I'm going to add a comment here that I've used before, and now I'm going to click on Add to Binder and close. Now let's go see what my binder looks like. Here's my binder, my main tab. Here's my redefinition of the tab. Here's my comment. Here's the website. And that's how you can add web pages to your binder using our LiveBinder It bookmarklet tool.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.